Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install a custom recovery on your Samsung phone if you wish to root or install a custom ROM on your device later on. Now before watching this video, make sure that you have already completed the steps from my previous video on how you can unlock your bootloader, because this is a necessary step before installing your custom recovery. And also, before we begin, I highly recommend searching for your specific Samsung device on the Telegram application. Just type in the model of your device and then join the specific community. Once you join your device's group, you will find custom recoveries, custom ROMs, patches and fixes, and most importantly, direct access to the developers who make these recoveries and ROMs. All of this makes Telegram one of the best resources for modifying not just your Samsung, but any other Android devices. Using the group, you can search for your custom recovery file for your specific device and also the patched VB meta image. Once you have these two files and the Odin application installed on your device, you can now finally proceed forward with installing your custom recovery. Now, I have already downloaded the VB meta as well as the custom recovery that I wish to install. Once you have both these files available, go ahead and open up the Odin application. Now, plug in the data cable within your laptop, and now the buttons that you need to press for the download mode will vary depending on your device. For this specific model, I will need to press all three keys, including the volume up, the volume down, as well as the power button. So with the USB cable plugged into the PC end, press and hold all of the required keys and plug in the USB cable as soon as you start pressing and holding. Now keep on pressing and holding the buttons and don't let go even when your device boots up. You will need to keep on pressing, and now you have successfully entered the download mode. You will also see that your device has been added within the Odin log. Now, once your device has been added inside the Odin application with the download mode enabled on your device, go and click on the AP option and then choose your custom bootloader and make sure that this is your custom recovery file. Now click on the user data section and then choose the patched VB meta file. Once you have selected both of these files, go ahead and click on the start button. Now, once you press the start button, the flashing process will begin. And as soon as the flashing is completed, your phone will begin to restart. And as it restarts, you will need to press and hold the volume up and the power button. So press the start button on Odin and now wait until the process is completed. Once your phone restarts, press and hold the buttons immediately, and now you will successfully boot up to your custom recovery. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to install a custom recovery within your bootloader unlocked Samsung device. Now, if you wish to root your device or install various custom ROMs, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.